Good morning. I am currently getting ready right now. I'm just throwing on a little bit of makeup because I am gonna head out soon to treat myself a little bit today. So my plan for today is to eat lunch first because I'm starving. And then I think we're gonna head on out to this really cute cafe that I've been wanting to try and grab a coffee there. And then I think we'll go to a few stores afterwards. I think I'm just gonna go to like H&M and Target and then maybe the grocery store just to pick up a few things that we need for the week. All right, so I'm currently just sitting here eating my lunch right now. I got my chicken salad and my coffee that I'm gonna have. So I'm going to eat that really quickly and then head out to go shopping. So I don't think I've mentioned yet where I'm going for this upcoming trip. I'm really excited about this one because we are going to go to Seoul, South Korea. And I have been dying to go to South Korea for at least 3 or 4 years now. I've been all over the US. I've been to Europe quite a few times, and I've been in like South America, but I've never been to Asia. And so that's been on my bucket list for a very long time. I follow a lot of like Korean influencers on social media. I've been getting into like the history of Korea and just like the culture, the food, everything. And I just love it so much. So that's why I'm so excited to go to Seoul. So right now I'm gonna finish eating my lunch and then I'm also making like a packing list right now too that I have right here. So I'm gonna finish eating my lunch and work on that packing list and then head out and grab some coffee. That's cute. That looks really good. All right, so we got this like cannoli latte, which looks really good. It has like cannoli cream in it. I think like chocolate chips and like pieces of cannoli. So let's try it and see how it is. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, that's really good. Mmm. It's very sweet, but it's good. I think it's a winner. All right, so we are back home from shopping, and honestly, it was kind of a bust. We ended up just going to Target and the grocery store. We didn't go to H&M just because we ended up spending so long at Target that we were just getting kind of tired and just like ran out of time. So, and honestly, at Target, we didn't really find much. I only got like this like black t-shirt, just very simple, plain black t-shirt, and then some mascara. Honestly, I just didn't find that much at Target. I don't know, I feel like the last few times that I've been to Target, just like their clothing selection hasn't been the greatest. Like I can't find hardly anything in terms of clothes whenever I go there. I don't know, and I don't remember it being that way. I think like even like 5, 10 years ago, I remember it being like the quality was better, they had more selection, but recently I just haven't been finding that much there. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe like I've changed. Maybe I'm just getting older. I don't know. All right, so I just finished like washing my face. I did my skincare, and what I think I'm gonna do now is go downstairs and make some tea, like I do almost every night. But this time I have a different tea. It's this chamomile honey vanilla tea that I just got at the store. So I'm kind of excited to try that out tonight. And then I'll probably have some dessert with it. And I also want to do my nails tonight. I got this nail polish that's like this purple, like lavender, like really pretty color, and I think it would be really nice for like spring. So I think I'm gonna do my nails too while I just chill. There is like actual snow on the ground right now, and it's April. It was raining for like 4 or 5 days straight, and now it turned into snow. The sky looks really pretty though. So I got this new like vanilla lavender coffee from the store the other day, and it is really good. I've had it a few times now, and it definitely like reminds me of spring. It's a little expensive though. So I think this was like $9 or $10 at Walmart. But then I saw it at Target. They have the same exact flavor, and it was only like $7, but it was like the Target brand, not the Starbucks brand. So I'm kind of kicking myself. Kind of wish I got that instead, but this one's still really good. I would definitely recommend it. All right, it is 7:30 in the morning right now. I just finished doing my exercises, my stretches. I hopped in the shower and got ready for the day. I woke up at, I think like around 5:30 this morning. And it's because last week I kind of slept in most of the days. And for me, sleeping in really isn't sleeping in. It's still like waking up super early at like, 6 o'clock, 6:30. But I don't know. I think last week there were some days where I wished I had woken up a little earlier just to give myself that extra time that I think I do need in the mornings. So this week I'm trying to do my best to wake up a little earlier and just give myself that time so I'm not like rushing in the mornings. So I already did a few things. I meal prepped some rice this morning too, which I forgot to mention earlier. And so now what I think I'm going to do is meal prep some like pickled red onion because I love pickled red onion. I can put that on like almost anything. So I love to have it just on hand, and it's like super easy to make and it's like super quick to make. So I think I'm gonna do that really quickly and then maybe eat some breakfast and do some work. Alright, so I just got home, I changed and got into comfier clothes, so I think I'm gonna go make some dinner because I'm starting to get pretty hungry. Alright, so I got one of these like probiotic refresher sparkling drinks from the store. It looked pretty good, I've never had it before. It looks like this one's lime, mint, and coconut flavor. So I think I'll try it tonight. It's definitely not as sweet as I thought it would be. I don't know, I think like 5 out of 10. Really? Yeah, I probably want to get this again. Set. Okay. Good boy. Where are you going?